Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about my most favorite lipsticks. These are the ones that I use more or less every day. So without talking too much, let's just get into it. The first one that I have is from Colorbar. Yeah, and this is called Hot 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 number 01. And this is that beautiful red color that I think every college girl or a working girl or a homemaker should have. This is, and the smell, of course, is that's my message tone. I'm sorry. So this is what it is. I'll give you a swatch and show you how it looks. This is that beautiful, beautiful red. A single swatch and your face would lighten up. It'll brighten up your face. So this is one thing that you must have. And guys, these I'm not going by the price or whatever. These are at random my favorite lipsticks. So I'm not sure about the prices. If you really want to check, please go check the websites. Now, next, what I have is something which I've already used, almost used, just a bit of it is remaining. This is from Oriflame. Extremely light and extremely, uh, the smell is beautiful. The smell is beautiful. And it's called True Color You Dazzle. Yeah, True Color You Dazzle. This is again like a lip gloss or a very light lipstick, a pinkish reddish, when you're going out, just a casual evening, and you could very well carry it off. Beautiful color. I'm not sure about the price again, but this is Oriflame. Oriflame number, I don't know if you can see the number. There isn't a number, but the name is, I just read it out to you, True Color You Dazzle. Okay, now up next I have an L18. Yeah, this is a beautiful one, a beautiful one. This is more of a nude and shimmery color, if you can see. Yeah, and I'm sure this would not be more than 100 or 120. The number is 36. This is called Peach Kish. Guys, I'm not saying my choice is the best or I have the best of collection, but these are things that you must have. These are the numbers. Try me, trust me. If you actually try them, you would not regret. These are such beautiful colors and would go with every tone, every skin tone, us Indians. So this was another one, Peach Kish 36, number 36 from L18. Next, I have a M.A.C. The only M.A.C. I have is this beautiful pink color. Yeah, beautiful pink. And the number is Kiss, K-Kiss 01. It's that vibrant, yeah, this is, here it is. I've swatched it on something. I'll give you a fresh swatch. So here it is. Beautiful pink, beautiful. I'm not sure about the price because this is a gift to me, and I've dirtied it also. So another one, and of course I don't have to talk much about M.A.C. The texture or the smell, they talk for themselves. So that was another one. Now I have another Colorbar. This is my all-time favorite, most favorite. Guys, this is, I guess, the third or the fourth lipstick that I've got. The same color, same make, Colorbar. And this is the color. It's a beautiful color. This is again a pink one. And it's called Thrilling Pink 61. Go buy it. Go buy it. Yeah, I insist. I tell you, I suggest you go buy it and you will not regret. If you are medium to fair, you would not regret. This is beautiful. This is brilliant. Yeah, and of course, the color, smell, and everything talks for itself. It's a beautiful one. Again, I'm sure the price will not be more than 250 or 300. Should not be more than that. Okay, now have a Lakme 9 to 5, 9 to 5. I've almost used this one. This is that brick red color. I'm wearing it right now. This is a brick red color, and the number is Rosette Motive MR5. Yeah, I'm giving you a swatch. This is what it is. Pretty close. Pretty close. I'm wearing the same one, so it has to be close. It is the same one. A beautiful one. And I'm sure this also must be, say, close to 300, 350. Guys, these all have been getting from Nika, so you could check out the website and go ahead, whichever color suits you, go ahead and buy them. Up next, I've got another color bar, and this is 14M Fairy Tale. This is almost done, so I'm planning to order this one also. This is number 14. Where do I give you a swatch? This is how it is. Beautiful pink color, beautiful it is. So this is a little close to the thrilling pink that I time and again buy. Yeah, but it's a little different. This one is a little darker, and it's got a little matte finish. So that's how it is. The price, again, I don't have to talk about. The smell also is the same as Colorbar smells. So that was another one. Up next, I've got streetwear, because I'm trying to find this color, but I'm not getting it anywhere. I've tried my best. I've tried almost every website, but I'm not getting it. So I'm kind of being stringent in using this. I want the same color. I'm so much in love with this one. Not willing to finish it, not willing to part with it, of course. And this is called 21 Crisp Caramel. If you guys happen to find it somewhere, please make sure you mention the link in the description box so that I could go ahead and buy one. This is a beautiful nude color with a slightest tinge of pink, I should say. Yeah. Look at the color. Look at the beautiful color. I so much love it. So much love it. And I'm sorry. Streetwear is anyways, is a good brand, and the smell, of course, is really nice, and it is extremely creamy and vanilla, no, butterscotch smelling. Yeah, butterscotch smelling. Beautiful one, must buy. Next up, I have something from Inkcolor. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This is Inkcolor. It still has the label. This is also nudish, pinkish nudish in color, but I'm somehow not impressed with the texture, so I don't wear it much, but the color is really nice. Yeah, the color is really nice. The smell is a little chemicalish, a little chemically, or if even if that's a word, I'm not sure. But the texture is okayish, not very impressed. The color is, of course, brilliant, brilliant. Yeah, so that was Inkcolor. And the last but not the least, I think I've already talked about this in one of my hauls. This is called Mua. This is a liquid lipstick. I'm not too much into liquid lipsticks because somehow for a fact I think they are quite drying, and they kind of leave your lips itchy, and I don't know, somehow I'm not against them, but personally I do not favor them. Now this is Mua. It's called whipped velvet. Yeah, and that's how it is. Give you a swatch. Beautiful color it is. The smell is beautiful, the color is beautiful, the feel is excellent. The feel is good, and it's quite a long stick. It's easy to hold and apply. I just love the color. This one is, of course, a little on the expensive side. I think it's close to 600 or something. But the rest of them, all of my babies are you know my first loves, and I love them all. I probably think they're all a second time buy, and I would buy them again and again and again. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you really like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and stay connected. Make sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that we stay connected, and next time I upload a video, you get to watch it if you hit the notification bell, also the little bell next to the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that also, and do comment on the in the comment section if you want me to do a special haul for you, or a different something different that you would like to see. um, and so I'll see you soon. Till then, stay connected, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.